Okay, we're at a rest area. We got 5 minutes, so here's a Mitsubishi Mr. Limited Trane unit. It appears the Mitsubishi is running. And it looks like it replaced a Trane. Definitely replaced a Trane because the pad is just like that one. Running in heat mode.
Yeah.
It is freezing up. It's really dented in. Then right here's a big Trane unit.
13.
Running?
It's all mossy.
I can't tell if it's been running.
Kyle, get over here and tell me if it's been running.
Oh yeah, it must have been running then. Or rain. It's either rain or it's been running. Yeah, you can tell that this Mitsubishi here, there's a worker here, so it's not going to anymore. Voice crack. You can tell that the Mitsubishi replaced a Trane. Because there's like a marking. And it's a carrier. There's a carrier right here. Literally the two units that we just filmed are right there. But yeah, look at that nice carrier. Right there, carrier.